Picture this, a world where food isn't just cooked. It's created with cutting-edge technology that defies your wildest imagination. Today, we're diving into the future of food, where science, innovation, and taste collide in a symphony of flavors. In this video, we'll reveal 5 futuristic tech ways of making food that will leave your taste buds tantalized and your mind utterly blown. So, what if I told you that your next meal could be a sci-fi adventure? Let's dig in. Number 1. 3D printed food. Imagine printing your meals like a boss. It's not just sci-fi, it's today's reality. In 2014, the concept of 3D printed food mini gardens sprouted up, and now it's making waves. Picture this, your food is printed with edible soil, seeds and spores in a doughy shell. In a few days, it magically grows into yummy plants and mushrooms, popping out of small holes. It's like a delicious bouquet. But here's the catch, it's not just a snack. It's a fashion statement and a bit pricey. And here's the kicker, gamers. You could potentially cultivate these mini gardens all over the place. How cool is that? The future of food tech is here, and it's epic. So, who's hungry for some 3D printed wonders? Number 2. Food mist. Picture this, inhaling your favorite foods without the calorie guilt. Meet Charlie Harry Francis, a food genius from the UK who cooked up the edible mist machine. It's like a flavor tornado in your mouth, with options like smoked bacon and apple pie. But hold on, it gets even crazier. This machine can whip up over 200 flavors, releasing them through a magical circular device, ready to be slurped through a straw. Think candy floss, mango and chocolate, all transformed into an ultrasonic mist. And the best part? No calories. It's like a dream come true for foodies. Imagine getting your daily nutrients through a homemade edible mist. The future is now, my friends, and it's blowing our taste buds away. Number 3. Test tube meat. Have you ever wondered about the meat of the future? Meet Professor Mark Post from the Netherlands, who's cooking up something truly extraordinary. He's crafting meat in a test tube, combining cow muscle cells with sugar, amino acids, and minerals. This high-tech approach gave birth to the world's priciest burger back in 2013. But the real kicker? Test tube meat could be the solution to food scarcity and animal welfare issues. Imagine a future where meat is not only sustainable, but also super affordable. Number 4. Purple bread. You know that regular white bread can be a fast-track ticket to sugar spikes and health problems, right? But fear not, because science has an epic solution. Professor Zhao Weibiao, a food wizard from the National University of Singapore, introduced us to purple bread. What's the secret sauce? It's made from natural stuff and packed with antioxidants. Imagine anthocyanin, the superhero compound found in black rice, grapes, blueberries, and sweet potatoes, giving it that awesome purple hue. Now, here's the kicker. Anthocyanins are like the Avengers of the food world, fighting off diseases, keeping obesity and diabetes at bay, and even slowing down aging. While you can't find purple bread in stores yet, big food companies are eyeing it. Is this the next superfood of the future? Number 5. Insect food. Let's talk about something bugging your taste buds, insect food. Eating insects isn't exactly new, but did you know 2 billion people are already munching on them? Sounds weird, right? But here's the deal. Insects are like tiny nutrient powerhouses packed with protein, vitamins, and more. And guess what? People are getting creative, whipping up insect snacks, ice cream, and even insect crackers. So, would you be game for a cricket-filled snack? Or will insects become the next big thing in future foods? Number 6. Fake fish and seafood. Ever wondered if fish could be made in a lab? Well, it's not just meat. They're doing it with fish too. Scientists are cooking up alternatives to traditional seafood using plant-based recipes or by growing cells in labs. Check this out. New Wave Foods is crafting artificial shrimp from algae-based goodness, and they're not stopping there. Lobster and crab are on their menu too. They even use something called heme to capture that authentic seafood taste, which you might recognize from meat substitutes. But here's the real kicker. They're genetically engineering yeast by fermenting it and injecting it with soy plant DNA. Crazy, right? So, here's the big question. In the near future, Will we be dining on real seafood or this cutting-edge fake fish and seafood?